Everybody, welcome back to Torching Hot here. This is your co-host Bentley Keith and your host Tristan Wiegand here. Today we're going to be trying the Glow Berry Prime with the Hoff Mean Green Hot Sauce there. The ingredients is green jalapeno, habanero, vinegar, salt, garlic, onion, lemongrass, and parsley. And then after we try that, we're going to be trying the truff made with the finest red chili peppers and infused with black winter truffle. And then after that, we will be trying the Ruffles Flamin' Hot Barbecue. And then we will be putting the sauces on the chips and trying that. Let's get started. We're going to start first with the Hoff Mean Green Hot Sauce. And we will be doing some more challenges with the Hoff flavored stuff. They have a lot more hot sauces, so we're going to be doing that. I'm not going to do much.
Okay. Alright, ready?
Alright. Cheers. That's got some kick. And we will be flushing it down with the Glow Berry Prime here. Shake it up real good. Let's crack it open.
Good prime.
Yeah, it tastes really good. I can get a lot of citrusy flavor with it. It's got a lot of electrolytes with it. And a lot of vitamins. Okay, so now we're going to be trying the truff sauce. Here. There you go. It's kind of what it looks like. Looks very thick.
Alright, ready?
3, 2, 1, cheers.
Very smooth.
That's really smooth. It's not that hot, but I do really taste that, like that truffle in there. I think that would be good on like some tacos.
Yeah, it would.
You know?
Yeah. It is good. It's
very creamy.
Yeah, and smooth.
I get that chili. Alright, now we're going to be trying the Flamin' Hot Barbecue Ruffles here. Grab you a chip there. Looks like the normal Flamin' Hot flavored here.
Yeah,
right, let's go.
Try it.
Right off the bat, I do get that barbecue flavor.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be very honest. I do not get any Flamin' Hot flavor at all.
Not much Flamin' Hot.
I think if I had to rate it, I think I'm gonna rate it. I could eat a lot of them, so I'd probably give it like an 8 out of 10. What would you rate it?
I'll give it around 8.5. They're good. Yeah.
All right, let's wash that down with some more Glow Berry Prime. Alright, now we're going to be trying the truff sauce on the Flamin' Hot Barbecue Ruffles here. If you didn't get to see what they look like really good, that's what they look like. Okay. There we go. Alright,
ready?
Let's go. Again, I get more of that creaminess.
Yes.
It's very creamy.
Yeah.
The barbecue, I'm not sure how it really infuses with it, but it's a perfect balance of savoriness and kind of sweet.
Yeah.
I guess it's sweet.
This truffle sauce, it's very sweet and smooth, but not much spice, but it does have the spice.
Yeah, made with chili peppers, so.
It also depends on how much your spice tolerance is built up. So
now we're gonna be trying the flamin' hot barbecued ruffles with the Hoff mean green sauce, hot sauce. Get our chip here. Looks like more of a vinegary sauce there.
Boom. All right.
Cheers.
That's pretty good.
That's good. Yeah, I think I like that more than I do the truff. But I do get some of that. I definitely get the green jalapeno. The habanero, yeah, I get some of that. I'm not getting much of it, but I'm getting it. The vinegar, yeah, it's really a runny sauce.
Yeah, that one's more of a thick, creamier sauce. This one's more of almost like a salsa kind of sauce.
Like liquidy. It's a verde. It's a verde sauce.
Yeah.
And you can pick that up at pretty much anywhere in your local Lace. And we're going to do the stack now, which you've all been waiting for.
Yep.
With the truff sauce. And, not just that, but the Hoff's Mean Green hot sauce.
And then we'll wash it down with our glowberry prime.
Glowberry prime.
Alright.
If you want to go ahead and open that one.
Alright. Ready?
That's what it looks like right there. Alright, cheers.
I like it. It's good.
I like it. Yeah, that's because it's smooth, but you've got the liquidy sauce, and then you're mixing it with a barbecue chip. There's a lot of flavors in there. I think I like that one the best.
Yeah.
That one's the best.
Yeah.
Okay, let's wash it down with some glowberry prime here.
Alright.
Alright. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification dingy bell.